This is my data set. Okay, and these are my variables. How many variables we have? 4 variables, right? And how many observations we have? Yes, first observation, second observation, and 3 observations we have. Okay, I want to display only these 3 variables. Okay, I want age, salary, name to be displayed. I don't want ID. For that purpose, which option we will use? Keep option, right? So where you'll use keep option here? No, this is dataset name. Beside the dataset name, which options we will write? Dataset options only we will use, right? But where we will write the keep option? For that, we need to create a new dataset, that is data. I'm giving my dataset name as a DM. Okay. And I'm writing this set statement. It is nothing but it is used to read the existing dataset, or you can say old dataset. This is my old dataset. This is my old dataset. Okay, it will read the old dataset. Okay, existing dataset name. What is my existing dataset name? AE, right? Existing dataset name is nothing but AE. Okay, open parenthesis. Yes, we use keep, drop, and rename options, right? What options we have? Keep, yes, drop, and rename options we have in the variable control options. Okay, so yes, here I am writing keep, and what keep equal to, and what variables I need? Age, salary, name. So I am writing here age, okay, space space name. You have one doubt that why we are not writing dollar here. See, dollar is used for only input statement. Input statement, we need to give this character variable. For character variable, this is character variable, right? So character variable stores alphabets, right? So for that purpose, we are giving this dollar sign here. Okay, so dollar sign will used for only the input statement, not here. So you can see here, I have written keep is equals to age, sal, name. Okay, then run semicolon. Okay, after that again I need to write what? Proc print data equal to dm, my dataset name. Which dataset name you should write? This my new dataset, right? This is new dataset, right? DM. So for that purpose we'll write this one. Existing dataset name is nothing but AE. Clear? So okay, first I'll run this existing dataset. You can see ID, yes, age, salary, and name. Now I want my output to be display age, salary, name. For that purpose, what I am doing? I am creating a new data set, giving my data set name as DM, and I am writing set statement. It's nothing but it is used to copy the old data set. Yes, the data set name I'll write here. This AE, old data set name is AE. That data set name I'm writing here AE, and I'm giving keep option. I want to keep only this age, salary, name. Okay, I have given that one, and I'm writing here proc print data, which is nothing but DM. My new dataset name is DM. For that purpose I'm giving. Okay, I'm running this. So you can see age, salary, and name. Yes, age, salary, name, you can see here no ID is there because I have given keep equal to age, salary, name. I want only these 3 variables for that purpose. Okay, now similarly I'll copy the same thing. Okay, suppose this variable control option used to control the variables only, not observations. This is clear? Okay, so I want to drop this age, salary, name. Okay, age, salary, name. then in my output what you can see? Which variable will be displaying the output? ID, right? I'm dropping those 3 variables. That's why the remaining variable will be display for us. Clear? To remove the variables from the entire data set as per our requirement, we use this drop option. Clear? Drop option should be written in the set statement only. Keep, drop, rename, 3 things. Clear? Drop. So I want to drop only age. How many variables you can see in your output window? 3. ID, sal and name. Now rename option. Rename option also used in the set statement, and for that we need 2 parentheses. See, this is 1 parenthesis, right? This one is 1 parenthesis only. So rename equal to, again I am opening parenthesis. Okay, I am writing here. Rename option is used to change the name of the variables. Okay, means see, I want to give salary, okay, not sal. Okay, so I want to give this sal variable as a salary, and okay, ID as a patient ID. For that purpose we use rename. Okay, so this is my data set. Yes, this is the old data set. I'm creating a new data set. Okay, and the first data set name is nothing but A, no? Yes, existing data set is A, and this is my new data set, right? So from that yes, what is the syntax for rename? Is equals to old variable is equals to new variable. So ID is my old variable, and I want to give patient PID we will do. Okay, ID is equals to PID, means patient ID. Okay, then give a space, don't give commas. After ID, I want my sal is equal to salary. Okay, these 2 things we have written, but do you see any thing is missing here? This is open parenthesis, this is one close parenthesis, and this is open here, but we did not close this one. This is a common mistakes you will make, and you will get an error most of the times. So you should see how many open parentheses are there. Okay, you should check the code clearly. I have changed the variable name ID to PID, patient ID, and a sal to salary. Okay, so this is my rename. No, I am changing the variable name as this one. After that, I want to keep only ID and sal. So where I'll use after this close parenthesis, I'll use keep ID, keep equal to ID space sal. Clear? So when I run this, it will display only 2 variables, that is ID, sal. So ID means I have given rename the ID, no? So rename option is worked here, and keep option also worked. I want only PID and salary. Clear? It is displaying. Otherwise, you want to use drop instead of keep. Okay, you can use, not keep and drop at a time. Clear? It will throw you an error. So you want to use drop. To drop what? I want to drop name. So you can use either here or here. So starting also you can use it. Drop equal to name. I'm dropping name. Okay, so how many variables you can see? 3 variables. Okay, name will not display here because I have used a drop, so you can see clearly. Okay, this is about variable control options. Yes, either you can use drop or rename or keep or rename, but not both keep and drop. Clear?